It was a short-lived reopening for museums in Balboa Park. San Diego's iconic sites are now preparing to shut down once again. ABC 10 News reporter Marie Cornell spoke to leaders at the Air and Space Museum, and they say they have learned a hard lesson through the pandemic.
The San Diego Air and Space Museum is among the list of businesses that are affected by the county being on the governor's coronavirus watch list. But they tell us they've been preparing for all possible situations.
If we were to close tomorrow, we're already on the step and we're ready.
Jim Kidrick, the president of the San Diego Air and Space Museum, says when they were abruptly shut down in March because of the coronavirus pandemic, it taught them to be ready for every possible situation, from making sure they had met all of the county health guidelines to reopen, to looking at other ways to interact with guests while their doors were closed. Since then, they've been pushing for more virtual events, allowing them to bring the experience and education to the public, even if it is while guests are at home. Jim says he understands why decisions have to be made to try and control the spread of the coronavirus, but he would like health officials to reevaluate the definition of essential.
We consider ourselves to be essential. We're essential to the mental health of young boys and girls and families, and we're certainly abiding by every one of the most strict guidelines. But when you compare us to a bar, okay, we're not a bar, we're not a restaurant. And so I think that somehow we need to sharpen our abilities to say, hey, we don't need to shut down the world. What we want to perhaps shut down or modify are those that we believe are facilitating transmission of the virus.
If you are interested in participating in any of those virtual events, go to the San Diego Air and Space Museum website for more information. Reporting from home, Marie Cornell, ABC 10 News.